Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Dakhar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Here is an important public announcement. Together we can overcome this pandemic by keeping everyone safe against COVID-19. If you have any queries regarding COVID-19, reach out to the state helpline at 14410. Stay home, stay safe, break the chain. Issued in public interest by National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma arrived at Shillong today. Biswa will meet Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma at a CM-level meeting on interstate border issues. The President of India has appointed Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla as the new Vice Chancellor of VC of Northeastern Hill University or NEHU for a term of 5 years. The Government of India issued a notification about the appointment as per Statute 2A1 of the Northeastern Hill University Act 1973, laying down terms and conditions as set forth in the ordinances of the university. Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari yesterday said in the Lok Sabha that only one way bridge in Meghalaya along NH6 has been granted permission for functioning and any other bridges operating in the state on the highway are currently unauthorized, a concern which brings under the scanner the Transport Department of the state headed by Snehaw Bhalangdhar. Responding to a question by Meghalaya parliamentarian Vincent Pala, Gadkari said that currently only one way bridge along Joai Ratachera has been granted functional permission. With the ongoing initiative by Assam and Uttar Pradesh governments to enact cattle protection and population control bills, Sudhanshu Das, a BJP MLA from Fatikroy constituency in Tripura today, made a similar demand and said that he would raise the issue in the next session of the Assembly. Speaking about his demand for legislation on population control, Das said the population of the country is going beyond the limit and that it is necessary for the governments to have a legal framework to tackle the explosion. Moving on, wine shops in the Guwahati Municipal Corporation or GMC area have started selling liquor online following a cabinet decision permitting such sale for a month experimentally to avoid overcrowding and facilitate social distancing norms under the COVID-19 guidelines. A notification to this effect was issued here by the State Principal Secretary, Excise, with the first phase of such sale purchase limited to the GMC area only, which may be further extended to other areas of Assam. States such as West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala and Punjab have already introduced online sale and home delivery of liquor. A crude oil pipeline of the ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, has reportedly developed a leak resulting in continuous emission of toxic crude oil. The crude oil, which is continuously leaking from the pipeline, has flooded hundreds of bighas of agricultural lands at Nazira in Assam Sivsagar district. An ONGC crude oil pipeline has developed a leak near Borpathar in Nazira, Assam. Assam Police has rescued a total of 42 children who fell prey to human traffickers from the Sikkim-West Bengal border. The children were trafficked from 3 villages in Assam's Chirang district. They were rescued during an operation in the wee hours of today morning. Chirang Police has arrested 2 human traffickers in connection with the case and one of the 2 has been identified as Krishna Yogi. The Education Department of Assam has asked the schools of the state to conduct the internal examinations for the students of class 9 and 10. The Principal Secretary to the Education Department of Assam has issued an order to the schools in this regard. In the order, the Principal Secretary to the Education Department warned that the teachers of the schools which failed to conduct internal examinations would not get salaries. The Education Department has asked the schools to conduct the annual test examinations and the unit test on time. The opposition parties today staged a protest outside the parliament over the Pegasus snooping row. Leaders of the Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Shiv Sena and left parties jointly demonstrated over allegations of phones of several top politicians, journalists and activists were tapped. The opposition leaders have demanded a Supreme Court monitored judicial probe into the allegations. Hitting out at the centre on the Pegasus snooping scandal, Rahul Gandhi said the Pegasus spyware is a weapon classified by Israeli states to use against terrorists. Thank you for listening to Hub Podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon, Mithela.